Okay, don't get me wrong, of course we need developers and we should encourage more people to be developers. But it's not the only path in the tech industry. Hey, my name's Nathan Mins and I'm a web designer. There are two main parts of my job. First, I design things that I cannot build in Sketch or Figma. They're both design tools somewhat similar to the Adobe suite. Obviously, true developers can create new things online, but they need to know what it'll look like. That's where I come in. I design the new things that the developers build. We're really both important in creating that experience for the users. In another part of my job, I build websites in Elementor and Divi, which means I can only build something that another developer that works at Elementor or Divi or a partner has already said that I should be able to make. Of course, this sounds like a really big problem, but Elementor makes components that are incredibly versatile and has an incredible community of developers with thousands of editable components for web designers like me. I can personally make 95% of what I need to without the help of a developer. Some people call this the no-code revolution. They'll say something like this: imagine you can make an entire e-commerce store, personal or business website, online blog, without ever seeing or touching code. And the user will never know. What used to require a developer can now be done by a designer or a site builder. Now, if you want to make things that have really never been done, and you want to have complete control and understand how the site works, being a developer is an incredible choice. Elementor is amazing, but it's not revolutionizing the tech industry on a technical level. Using Elementor alone, I can't track you as the user on multiple websites and display ads based on that content. A developer can build something like that. I really can't make any type of advanced calculator on Elementor, but a developer can make that. If you're going for pixel perfect, being able to customize literally everything on your website, then Elementor might not be for you. If you and your clients are willing to work with the thousands of Elementor components with the limitations that they come with, or you're willing to make your own components through Elementor's developer program, Elementor may be perfect for you. It's perfect for me. My mind doesn't work well in code, but it's a perfect path for many others and many of my friends. Although it's almost been proven that money can't bring happiness after you can live comfortably, if you're a developer, you'll never have to worry about money again. They are paid so well because they're very valued members of the tech industry. Basically, my point is here, I don't code, but I'm still a productive member of the tech industry. Of course, working in this industry, I understand the basics, but nowhere close to remaking a Facebook or a Google. I mean, I can hardly make Hello World. So for me as a web designer, I primarily use Sketch and Elementor. If you'd like to try Elementor for free, I have a video tutorial on how to use it. And also in the description, there's a link so that you can download it totally for free and just explore on your own. I like to describe Elementor to people that ask as a Wix, Weebly, Squarespace, Webflow, but better because it's on an open source platform, WordPress. You get all of the value and customization of WordPress without having to work on a clunky editor that used to come with WordPress. I'm happy to be part of this no-code revolution. Maybe you can join me. If you liked this video and want to see more like it, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon right next to it so you're notified for every new post. There's also great links in the description that you should check out if you're a web designer or really any other creative.